Welcome back to our channel. If you like making money online, this is the channel for you. Make sure to subscribe at the conclusion of this video so you can start earning money. If you haven't subscribed yet, click on the subscribe button and switch on notifications to be notified whenever I post a new and exciting approach for generating money online. So let's get started. In this video, I will show you how to make money online using this free website. You can start producing money right away with a free website that I'm about to share with you. And you can put it on autopilot to create even more revenue. Not only that, but you'll discover how to improve your performance and maybe earn more money. But first, don't forget to like this video and let me know in the comment section below if you enjoy learning new money-making strategies so I may continue to share new ways to make money online. This is the major platform that we'll be using, and it'll pay you hundreds of dollars every hour. In return, you can make money by completing various tasks on this platform. They do feature a variety of payment choices, including PayPal and direct bank transfer. But if you don't want to use PayPal or their direct bank transfer, they also have other options. They accept a variety of payment options, so don't be concerned. We'll get to that in a minute. But I just want to show you that this is all over at Respondent.io. So get over there and I'll show you how to locate these projects in a minute. For 60 minutes or an hour of working, they will pay you hundreds of dollars. This one pays $450 per hour. This one pays $450 for 60 minutes, $600, $500, and so on. So I'll show you how to go to this page in a moment. But first, let me explain to you how this works and how you may truly benefit. To get going, go to Respondent.io and click on Get Started right here, which will bring you to this page. Clearly, you have come to make money rather than spend it. That is why from the drop-down menu, you must select I am a participant. Because you are not a researcher, but rather a participant, simply click here and complete this form. As you can see, this is a well-known corporation on a global scale. Some of the world's most prestigious corporations are using this technology, demonstrating that it is genuine, and they are paying hundreds of dollars per hour, demonstrating that it is not a fraud. I'll present you proof that it's a tried and true website that makes money for hundreds, if not thousands of people every hour. To join up as a participant, simply click here. You'll be directed to a website where you may sign up using Facebook, LinkedIn, or your email address, which will take a little longer because you'll have to manually enter all of your information. If you currently have a Facebook or LinkedIn account, you can create a new one by selecting one of these two options. For the first time, you'll be logged into your Respondent.io account. In my case, I'll use Facebook. All I have to do is click Sign Up with Facebook and they'll direct me to my account. This is my first account, and for the time being, this is how the dashboard will look like. We'll keep going because I know a lot of you are wondering if this is true and why they're paying so much money for so little effort. As you can see, they can vouch for Respondent.io's legitimacy. Respondent.io was created in Brooklyn, New York in May 2016, and you can read more about the company's objectives here. You may discover more about a company by clicking on the button. I completed a lot of web research for you guys, and I'm not going to put anything in front of you that's a scam or won't work. I'm merely doing what's expected of me and seeking for solutions that work. Yes, this is a credible website that pays, as I do a lot of research and have spent a lot of time researching into your website before bringing it up to you. Before we continue, don't forget to like this video, click the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new and exciting videos about earning new money-making strategies online. Well, we're back to your account, and here is how it'll look. This is the dashboard, and this is where you'll add your personal data. Details such as your email address and your phone number are known to you. Don't worry, they won't call you or share your information with anyone. That's all it takes to show you're a real person. So once you've logged in, go ahead and select Explore Projects before I show you how to get money without having to do all of the difficult tasks. Stay tuned because that's going to be a lot of fun. All of these are current projects that I can finish and profit from for hundreds of dollars. For example, this one will cost you back $620 for 3 hours. To complete the job, $620 is necessary for 1 hour of work. Excuse me, 60 minutes of work. This one pays $600, $500, $650 for 20 minutes of labor. So, for a payment of $650 to your PayPal account, this isn't even an hour of work. It's only 20 minutes. What are you doing in this website? And why are they paying so much? I'm sure you're wondering. What are these projects and what do we need to do? They're simply looking for researchers, and they're looking for them for their business. In most situations, all you have to do to get paid is to join the project, after which they will ask you to conduct some research for them. You could simply go to Google and search for an hour or an hour and a half. It won't be easy. It'll take a couple of hours, but you'll be able to make a significant amount of money. If you don't want to complete those projects and conduct the research yourself, here's how to make a living with Respondent.io without participating in any of them. Simply put, if you suggest a friend to the program, you will receive $50 for each individual who signs up. And now all they have to do is sign up for a project and you'll get $50 from each of your friends, which is a million times easier than actually completing it. You can finish a project on your own if you wish to. It is possible and likely to pay off, but it will take time and work. So if you're willing to put in a little work, go ahead and finish these tasks. You may possibly make a lot of money if you accomplish the projects. But if you don't want to, simply join the referral program and share the referral link with your family members and friends. You can also look for different earn money online groups on Facebook by searching for phrases like make money online, work from home, or I'm looking for a job, and then filtering by groups. There are hundreds of thousands of people who want to make money online. You can share your referral link with them, saying, hey guys, these projects are simple to complete and you can make some decent money doing it. As a result, not only will you be helping them make money, but you'll also receive $50 for each person who signs up. Of course, not everyone will sign up. In fact, the vast majority will not. Yet, even if you only get a few signups each day, you are stealing hundreds of dollars per day without having to complete the projects. Again, if you're willing to put in the effort and have the time and energy, go ahead and finish the projects. It will take some effort, but it will pay off in the end. The Respondent.io can help you make a lot of money. To summarize the video, if you want to do the projects, go to Respondent.io and click Get Started. Register as a participant and then select between completing projects for more money and referring your friends for less money but without having to do the hard work yourself. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel with notifications turned on so you don't miss any future videos. I appreciate your undivided attention and I hope to see you on the next one.